Hi, all of you are welcome by me on my YouTube channel. So today the subject of my video is how to select cyan properly. So friends, the cyan or the stick or the branch which you are looking here is, you can say, growing branch. So whenever you select such type of a cyan, that should not bend easily, or elasticity should not be in that branch. These are the improper cyans. These are not good cyan, because I hope that the age of these cyans are 1 to 3 months. Now second cyan or branch or stick I am going to show, though it is looking green in color, medium green in color, but it is moving, understand, rubber type. Whenever you means push your finger there, put your finger, it bends easily. That means that cyan is also not suitable. That age is of, you can say, 3 to 4 months. Now this one is also cyan, but it is too much old, so it is also not good. Now next cyan which you are looking here, now the length of that cyan is about 50 to 20 centimeter. Upper part is loose, but lower part, understand, this part is loose, but the part below that, now see here, the buds are there, on the top also buds are there, but now the lower part which is of about 5 to 8 centimeter is not bending easily by picking or putting pressure on it, means there is no too much elasticity. That means this cyan can be used by you. But you can ask me one question, or some questions are in your mind, sir, as that is, you can say, growing branch above that 6 or 7 centimeter, why you are not cutting that part? Don't cut it, understand, because you are using such type of cyan instantly, so should not cut, because when you will feed that cyan, there will be cut and easily all the vapor with material will evaporate, so that will be very dangerous. So feed that cyan totally of 15 to 20 centimeter. Whenever it will get success, upper part will be, you can say, dry, and lower parts bud will come. Now so that is also suitable. Now this one is the next cyan, though it is not dark green, but it is 50 to 60% green, and buds are in the groove, and it is not bending easily. Whenever you are keeping your fingers lightly there and try to bend it, it is not bending easily. That means that is also true cyan, and it is useful cyan. Now this one is, now as means I cut the growing branch and keep it for defoliation. Now buds are coming, that is also not bending easily. That means that cyan is also proper cyan or selected cyan. Now this one is, totally dark green, but circumference is less, but it is matured. How? Because buds are growing, flushing buds are there, because we kept it 15 to 20 days by defoliating on the tree. So those mango trees or those mangoes which are, you can say, very tasty or delicious, or even you like it, so that tree cyan should be selected by you. But before taking those cyans from that mango tree, you must, you can say, defoliate the required and qualifying cyan, because there are 5 to 6 videos which were uploaded by me by naming how to select cyan और कलम कैसे चुनने का, कलमा कैसे निवडायचा. Now see here, though its circumference is less, but it is matured. Why? Because as buds are coming, flushing buds are coming from the groove of the petiole, now it is not bending easily. When you are keeping your fingers there to bend it, Now see here, upper part is bending easily. The upper part is not matured. But why we are not cutting it? Total branch is disqualified, means total, you can say cyan is disqualified because you are bending. Now see here, this one is also bending, it is also not qualitative, it is not satisfying the term and condition of solid cyan or healthy cyan. Now see here, it is instantly cut cyan. If you have no time, you can instantly take such type of a cyan by cutting only leaves and keeping petiole of the leaves on the cyan. Flushing buds are there and the stalk is not bending, branch is not bending. So such type of a cyan should be selected instantly without defoliation. You will definitely get success by such type of instantly selected cyan. But for best result, that is a need to defoliate it. But consider that if that place of mango is far away from you, then you cannot wait for 20 days and you cannot go there for taking defoliated cyan. So in that circumstances, you can take instant cyan. Consider that after that how to take it. So whenever you cut such type of a cyan, it may be defoliated on instant. You have to cut them by keeping distance of 15 to 20 centimeter. Even you can use 8 to 10 centimeter cyans also. You have to moisture that cloth in which you are wrapping them, such a way cut part should be keep in one side and cover it by any cotton cloths and quench it in water or spray water such a way that it can absorb, or you will feel total watery cloth. Such a way after completion of wrapping by wet cloth or moistured cloth, you have to keep the total cyans inside the polythene and tie it and take to your home for using them. Now what after that? If you want to use the 30 or 40 days, so keep these cyans by preparing solution of fungicide, copper sulphate, just like make a solution of copper sulphate and quench it for 14 to 16 hours in that liquid and take out all the cyans and keep in moistened cloth, and you can use such a way for 30 to 40 days. So you can use such a way, but cloth should be wetted or moistured always. For that you have to spray water in the evening and in the morning and keep in moistened plate, means in bathroom or elsewhere. Even you can keep it in freezer where fruits are not kept. If fruits are kept, that is dangerous. So please subscribe my channel by clicking